Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today is actually the same day as my last video. So, um, I actually already finished my entire portfolio website. So, I just wanted to go through it real quick and show you guys what I added to this web app, um, and a little bit about how I coded it. So, right here, this is the admin panel. This is where I'm adding in everything, and of course you have to log in to be able to use this. Um, and then, well, right here we have, yeah, so I put my projects in here. Actually, that's a new thing. Um, Over here in models.py, I added in the projects class, and to help myself out for future reference, I added in these comments to let myself know that these should only be a certain amount of choices. It shouldn't be something different from those. Um, so yeah, I added in a stack for all the stuff, programming related stuff that I know. I added in projects for my projects. Trying to see what else there is here. So right here we have our nav bar that I created right here. And then this is the footer that I created with links to my GitHub. Link them for once I get one, and then a Google Drive download, I believe, of my resume. Um, so yeah, uh, we have the home page experience, my experience, my education, and my projects. And down here is the footer. I also added in this so that people could contact me. Um, right now, I'm just trying to go through the code before I actually get into the what everything looks like. So over here, I actually did a lot of these flex boxes inside the element. I don't think it's very practical, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. I also added in a lot of classes for many elements, just in case I ended up wanting to decorate them different from everything else. And I actually might, for once I actually deploy this app. And then, okay, here's an interesting thing. So the projects, they take in a link, right? Um, which is just a string. So um, it's just a string, or no, sorry, text field. And what I'm doing right here, I'm creating I have this anchor tag for, and the link I'm putting in, I'm using the variables in the Django templating language to use that link that I put in the database. Um, yeah, a lot of this I'm just looping through stuff. You could see it more over here. Yeah, I'm just looping through everything to show it. I actually didn't do a lot of, oh, this one was a pain in the ass because I had to do a loop, or yeah, create for loops for all of the, like, for the project skills stack, all of that stuff. Um, and then over here, as you guys could see, I would import the models, query the database, and then put it in this context for the template to use. Then over here we have the URLs, very simple. And that's about it for the code. Now for the actual website. Right here we have projects. and it has links to the projects tab. Right here we have skills. I made this really small because I honestly don't want anyone to look at this because, yeah, I mean the first two are real. The next three are like, I don't know about that. Um, Hopefully a future employer isn't watching this. Tech stack, rather, by I don't know about that, I mean like it's so generic, right? Like I think it's true, but it's so generic. Um, anyway, my tech stack. So obviously I know Python, JavaScript, HQL, backend frameworks, Django, and Flask. I actually want to make a video on Flask someday soon. Front-end frameworks, React, databases, Postgres, which I don't know yet, but by the time that I deploy this app, I will have used Postgres. Um, Education, I have just where the education is from and then the years that I went there, and then I have Learn More, which will take you to the Education tab. Same thing with Experiences, and then of course the Contact Me area down here. Actually, give me a second. Let's add something in real quick. Nope. Uh, there we go. It's really funny because I did the kind of like the other way around because normally you leave links and only certain links that you don't want with this little underline, you'll have it in, you'll have them like as a class, but I put the class link for all the links that are actually going to be with the little underline. I don't know why I did it like that, but yeah. Experience, I actually had 2 bullet points for each. What I did there, and then um, so what it's what I did there, and then what I learned there. Okay. Then education, I have regular education and uh, programming related education. And finally, my projects over here with the source code right there. So yeah, it's really simple, but that's my website, my portfolio website, and I think I did this in like 7 hours because I think I recorded 3 p.m. Yeah, I did this in 7 hours, and so that's why I'm going to be posting this 7 hours from the previous video. But yeah, um, really simple, honestly, really good. I remembered a lot of stuff about Django from this. Um, and yes, I was using this as reference. Uh, Only for the database, though, it seems. I also used it a little bit for the nav bar and a little bit for some CSS. And I think that's just about it. Yeah. I'll let you guys know when I actually. Well, okay, let's look at it. I had. Give me a second. So I had this, right? Where it's all going to be hosted on Railway. And while I do want to host it on Railway, I don't want to do that yet because I want to save the free hours that you get on Railway for my fake Twitter style app. But anyway, I think that's about it. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.